Hi there. Now, if you're watching this video, that means you probably would want to know exactly how to deposit into this platform called MiniPay, and I got you covered. Okay, so without wasting any time, yes. So we just have to proceed on how you can be able to deposit using this platform called MiniPay. Now, but before doing that, I want you to do a favor for me. Go ahead and click on that like button to show appreciation of the value you are going to get in today's video. And if you're here to join this family, do it to click on that subscribe button. Yes, don't forget to turn on the bell notification. It is very, very important. Now, with all this being said and done, I believe you've clicked the like button and I believe you subscribe to the channel. Then let's proceed, guys. So this is how I deposit using this platform called MiniPay, or this is how I deposit into this platform called MiniPay. So this is the interface you are going to see if you are done with the registration. Yeah. So let's proceed with how you can be able to deposit seamlessly using this particular platform called MiniPay. So over here is how much I do get, or the extra income I get from this particular platform. So should in case if this is the first video you are seeing regarding this platform, I made a separate video showing you how this platform pays me for having this amount with them. So just towards the end of this video, I am going to link that video so you can be able to watch the video and you probably understand why I'm making this video on how to deposit, right? So let's proceed. So how do I deposit using this platform called MiniPay? So I first and foremost click here. Of course, they have two buttons there, deposit and withdrawal. Yeah, but the reason why I'm making this video is just to show us how you can be able to deposit. So we're going to click over here that says deposit. So let's go, guys. So once you click on deposit, this is the options you are going to be getting, right? So the first option now is virtual bank account. Okay, now you can actually deposit into your MiniPay account by using a virtual bank account. Of course, you can be able to have a USD account, you can have dollar account, you can have pounds account in this same MiniPay. Of course, I do have that. You can decide to make a transfer, whether you are staying in UK, whether you are staying in US, someone can send in money to your pounds or dollars account number and it will appear on this your MiniPay account. So that's the first method you can be able to use to deposit. The second way you can also use to deposit is through wallet or exchange. Okay, so you can transfer some crypto because they are making use of USDT. That is what they are making use of in this MiniPay. So you can transfer USDT from, let's say, your Trust Wallet, KuCoin, Binance, direct to this particular MiniPay account, okay, or MiniPay platform. So that's the second one. Then the third way you can also use to deposit money is using your local currency. Of course, Nigeria, that's what you're seeing, NGN. So you can deposit using your local bank account. You can transfer from your local bank account into this particular MiniPay, and that is the method I'm going to use in today's video. So we're going to click on NGN so that we can proceed. Yeah, let's go, guys. So once you click on continue, okay, then this is the interface you are going to see. Over here is where we are going to be typing how much we'll be needing, and this is what we are going to be using, which is bank transfer. So we're going to transfer from our local bank account straight to this platform. So here is where we're going to type in how much we'll be needing. So let's proceed to type how much we'll be needing. So this is the minimum the platform can receive from you, or the minimum amount you can be able to transfer to into this platform, which is minimum of 500 naira. So remember or have it in mind whenever you want to make a transfer, the minimum is surely going to be 500. So let's type in how much we want to deposit. I want to deposit the sum of 200,000 naira into this platform. So let's continue to type the 200,000 and proceed with the deposit. So let's go, guys. So I'm done typing the 200,000. The next thing I'm going to do is to click over here that says continue. So okay, so let's just proceed and click on continue. So once you click on continue, this is interface you are going to see. They are going to recommend a merchant for you that is going to sell USDT. Just like I told you, they are making use of USDT. Okay, they are going to recommend a merchant that is going to sell that USDT to you. USDT what that amount you want to deposit. So I want to deposit the sum of 200,000 naira. So they are going to recommend a merchant. So this is the merchant that they recommended for me, which is partner. Yeah. So and they are showing me that one USDT, okay, is equivalent to 1,424 naira 42 kobo. That is how much one USDT is, the current rate as at the time I want to deposit this money. Okay, so for 200,000 naira, I am going to get total of 140 USDT point 41 cents. So let's just call it dollar, $140 point 41 cents. So that is the total money that I'm going to get for that my 200,000. So if this is okay for me, I am going to proceed to click continue. But if I'm not okay with this particular merchant, yeah, I am going to click over here that says see all offers. So once I click on see all other offers, I might probably get a better rate. But for me, I like using the one that the platform recommends for me. It is very fast for me. I'm talking based on my experience. Okay, it is very always very faster for me. Okay, I'm not saying other merchant is not fast, but I just love each time I want to deposit. Any merchant they recommend for the platform recommends for me, I'm going with it. Okay, so if you are cool, go ahead and click here that says continue. So let's click on continue. So once you click on continue, they are going to give you like analysis, and they are going to give you a account details that you are going to use to transfer money. So over here, they are going to show you this account name. So this is the account name you are going to see. Once you type in the account number, this is the account name that is going to appear, right? And they are showing you that you are going to deposit. You're going to say you send. Okay, this is how much you are going to send, because this is how much you want to deposit, which is 200,000. And they're showing you that for your for their fee, they are collecting zero fee. So as you can see over here, 0.00 USDT. So the total amount you are going to receive for the 200,000 that we want to deposit is 140.40 USDT. Okay, that is how much you are going to be getting. Okay, and for one USDT, the rate is 1,424.42 kobo. Okay, so this is a warning. Okay, so let's read it carefully so that you know go that story that touches the heart and tickles the bum. Guys, if you have gotten to this point, go ahead and click the like button in exchange of the value you are getting in today's video. And if you're yet to join this family, go ahead and click on that subscribe button, and let's proceed, guys. So let's just read the warning. Okay, so money sent from an account not in your own name could lead to loss of fund. Bear it in mind, guys. So if your name is Emmanuel Adekunle, make sure you are transferring from an account that is bearing your name. Make sure the local bank account you are transferring the money from is your own account. Your name cannot be Emmanuel Adekunle and you are transferring money from Daniel Yusuf. Okay, you end up losing that money, so have it in mind. So the name of the bank you want to be using, or the name of the bank you are going to be transferring into, is Paystack Titan. So once you go to your mobile app, I recommend you make use of mobile app. Don't use USSD code. I'm going to tell you the reason why I say you shouldn't use USSD code, and don't use ATM machine. Okay, make sure you use a mobile bank app. So search for Paystack Titan and paste in this account details. So click over here to copy it. So once you click over here, this icon, it is going to copy. Okay, so once you click over here, copy it and paste it there. So once you paste it there, this is the name. I'm just saying this is my name. Okay, so once you paste yours, your name is going to appear there. Okay, so the next thing you are going to do is you are going to copy this. So once you copy it, you are going to paste it into description. When you are doing the transaction, paste it into description. It depends on the bank you are using. Some banks, their own is written description. Some banks, their own is written remarks. Some banks, their own is written, I think, notes or something like that. So whichever one your own is writing, just make sure to copy this and paste it there. It gets why. Okay, so these are the process we use in order to deposit. So once you are done with all that, just go ahead. The next thing we are going to do, The next thing they are going to do is, since the money has processed and is successful, make sure you have a screenshot in case, okay, just in case. So once you are done with that, you are going to see that it doesn't take time. The money is definitely going to appear. So just look at the money just came in now, which is just within a minute. The money just came in, $140.40. Okay, so I'm going to show you now. Over here is the total amount we have, which is 1,386.57 dollar. Okay, so for us to have this amount of money here, this platform is going to be paying us for having a certain amount of money in our balance. Okay, I've made a video regarding to that. I explained in details how this platform is going to be paying you for having a certain amount of money with them. Okay, so if you want to watch that video, towards the end of this video, I'm going to link that video, so click on it and you enjoy it. Okay, so we're going to see how much this is in naira. Okay, so we're going to be clicking over here to see how much we have there in naira. Let's go, guys. So once you click over there, this is the total amount we have. So for the $1,300, we have 1,919,412 naira. So this is how much we currently have. So guys, this is how you can be able to deposit in this platform called MiniPay. It doesn't take time, seamlessly, and you are done. So I want you to go ahead and click the like button if you're able to get to this point. Click the like button in appreciation of the value you got in today's video. And if you're here to join this beautiful family, I really don't know what you are waiting for. Please go ahead and click on that subscribe button. Yes, after clicking on the subscribe button, go ahead and turn on the bell notification beside that subscribe button. Yeah, what the bell notification does is always notify you anytime we upload informative video just like this one you're watching. Okay, yeah, so this is what I have for us. In case you want to know how this platform can be able to pay you for using it, click on the video you are going to see on the screen, and I'll definitely see you on the other side. Keep winning, guys, and always know that Leo loves you. And until when I'm going to see you on that video, bye, comrade.